So in this section, I'm going to share with you the operating income. So the operating income has to do with the cash you started with, your expenses, and the money you generated. Okay, so this will now show you the total money you are going to have at the end of the first year. Okay, so at the end of the first year, you have your so this is what you are going to have as your operating income. So that is the money you have at hand, the minus the expenses and plus the profits you generated. Okay, so this will show you your operating income. Then you repeat the same thing you did for the first year. So let's say the first year you did 50, and you know that the next year you're going to be doing 70, and the cost of your product is 5,000, it remains 5,000. So I'm using naira. Okay, so if you are dealing on dollars, you can also use dollars. So let's say you have been able to increase your margin from 1,000 to 1,200. So once you do this, okay, it will generate your daily profit, your weekly profit, your monthly profit, and your annual profit. Okay, so now your operating income for year two will now move to be this. So this will be the operating income for first year, right? Now subtracting your recurring expenses that you already listed above, and now your annual profits for the second year. So that will give you the money you have left with you. So that will come as your operating income here. Okay. Now you repeat the same thing the third year. So the third year you did 70. The second year you did 70. So let's say you are now doing 100 and your product is still 5,000 and you are now making a margin of 1,300. So it will automatically generate for you your weekly profit, monthly profit, and annual profit, which will also drop and show you your operating income here. Okay, so once you repeat this for the number of years you want to, so this is already 5 years. So do that for 5 years. If you have other revenue streams like commission, so you can also put that so it will sum it for you. So once you finish that, you go to the financial summary. Now the summary is going to show you your initial money you started with, the amount of money you are spending on rent for a year, the total money you are going to spend on repairing equipment, and the salary you are paying every year. So you already know the salary you are paying every year. You know the marketing cost. You know the money you are spending on purchasing goods, and you know the money you are spending on tax. So once you do that, it shows you your total expense. So this tells us that we need 14.2 million for us to stay alive for the next 5 years. So if you have that, you are going to stay for the next 5 years, and this shows us the total money we are going to generate in as revenue, and this is the gross profit. This is the gross profit, and this is a cash at hand, the cash we are going to have at hand at the end of the day. So use the basic numbers for a business. So you know how many sales you make every day. So put it, how much do you sell your product and how much do you make from each of that product. Okay, so once you do that, it generates that for you for the first year. You repeat it for the second year, repeat it for the third year. You know, this is an assumption, okay? This is a forecast for the second year, third year that you don't know, okay? Now, you already have your expenses. So, list what your expenses is going to be. So, this will help you to know how much money you need and also help you to know how much money you'll be able to realize in the next years. So, I'm not going to tell you why finance is key, right? So you know that finance is critical for every business. It's the lifeblood of every business. So you need to do this before you start your business. If you already have a business, go back and fix this. Okay. My name is Igwe Oboro, and I am an entrepreneur, and I have the desire to see that businesses and startups in Africa will be able to build sustainable businesses, which I believe that finance is key about that. If you want to know more about me, check out my LinkedIn. Check out my LinkedIn page, Uguru Igwe, or probably follow me on YouTube and subscribe so you can be able to get the advanced templates. Okay, thank you.